Hello everyone. So today we are going to be discussing the daily current affairs for the 3rd of April 2021. Guys, the very first question for the day. Who is the Chief Minister of Meghalaya? Okay, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya. This answer would be B. Conrad Sangma. So if you see, he is 43-year-old and the current 12th CM of Meghalaya. He became the youngest financial minister of Meghalaya. His political party is NPP. Okay. Currently, he also serves as the president of the Meghalaya Cricket Association and Sports Academy. Now, 22. Question number 2. Who will be honored with the 51st Dada Saheb Phalke Award? Dada Saheb Phalke Award. The answer here is A. Rajnikant. Okay. He will be honored with the 51st Dada Saheb Phalke Award, marking the India's highest award in case of cinema. It is presented at the National Film Awards ceremony, and he will be awarded. He has also been awarded with the Padma Bhushan and the Padma Vibhushan. Okay. Okay. Now, question number 3. What is the world's costliest crop that is being cultivated in Bihar? The world's costliest crop which is actually being cultivated in Bihar. Answer here is C. Hoop shoots. Okay. It is priced at 1 lakh rupees a kg. You're going to see that Amrish Singh from Bihar, Aurangabad, is the first person to start hoop shoots on 5 kattas, okay, of land without any chemical fertilizer or pesticide. They have an acid called the humulons or lupulons in them, which is believed to be effective in killing cancer cells of the body. It was discovered in the early 11th century. Now let's go to question number 4. When does the world observe World Leprosy Day? World Leprosy Day is celebrated on which day? It is celebrated on the last day of January. The last Sunday of January is World Leprosy Day. Okay. This date was selected by humanitarian Raul Follerio as a tribute to the life of Mahatma Gandhi. Okay. Now, question number 5. What are off-budget borrowings? Off-budget borrowings. Off-budget borrowings. So, the answer is that they are the loans that the government does not take directly, but public institutions borrow after the center's order. So, the borrowings which are done, which are not actually calculated from before, are the off-budget borrowings. Okay. They are intended to fulfill the government's expenditure needs in the beginning. Since the center is not directly borrowing, therefore the liability is also not with the center. As a result, it is not included in the fiscal deficit book. It is actually excluded from the FRBM Act. You know? Okay. When was Qinghai Tibet line opened? The Qinghai Tibet line. This line was opened in 2006. Okay. Question number 7. Where have the scientists found the world's coldest cloud? Pacific, Atlantic, Indian or Arctic Ocean? The answer here is A, the Pacific Ocean. It was this cloud which reached actually minus 111 degrees centigrade, and it is the coldest temperature ever recorded. It was captured via sensor infrared on satellite NOAA 20 orbiting the planet. Question number 6. Ben Gurion waterway is associated with which country? The Ben Gurion waterway. Answer is B, Israel. So, okay. Yes, it is connected with Israelis. So, they are promoting their projected Ben Gurion waterway as a rival to the Suez Canal. Okay. All right. Now, let's go to the next question. Energy company Greenstat is based in which country? Brazil, France, Germany or Norway? Greenstat. The answer here is D, Norway. You are going to see that this company focuses obviously on all types of green energy, hydrogen, solar, wind, zero emission maritime solutions. It has signed a research partnership with TERI. Greenstat has founded the Greenstat Hydrogen India Private Limited, which is a large producer and consumer of energy and is known to have significant problems with air pollution and large emissions in its urban areas. Now, let's go to the next question. How will WHO run the COVAX vaccine to 82 lowest income countries? Okay. What is the name of this initiative basically? So this initiative is called the COVAX Advanced Market Commitment. WHO is going to run the COVAX vaccine to 98 lowest income countries through COVAX Advanced Market Commitment. Okay. Uh, all right. Now the next question. Which will be the most connected country in the world as per the International Air Transport Association? Shanghai, is it London, Paris, or Moscow? So the answer here is A, Shanghai. Okay, the most connected place in the world, China, Shanghai. Okay, okay. Which Indian state has sought the GI tag for gnocchi mushrooms? Okay, which Indian state has sought the GI tag for gnocchi mushrooms? The answer here is C, Jammu and Kashmir. Gnocchi mushrooms are one of the most expensive mushrooms and are priced at 30,000 rupees a kg. It goes in conifer forests in temperate regions. Okay, in very few places, Himachal Pradesh, Uttaranchal, and Jammu Kashmir, they are ideal territories. Now, which two countries have collaborated over Long Ops project to develop new and safe technologies to dismantle old nuclear facility? The Long Ops project. Okay, Long Ops project is being done by Japan and the United Kingdom. So they will be collaborating over it because they want to dismantle old nuclear facilities like the Fukushima Daiichi reactors, which was severely damaged in an earthquake, in a tsunami as well. So we actually need to actually decommission the legacy sites. Now let's move on to question number 14. Which is the world's first country to ban vulture toxic drug ketoprofen, the vulture toxic drug? The answer here is D, Bangladesh. As you know, it is the first country in the world to ban the drug. 10 years ago, it was the first to be demonstrated in trials of South Africa. Okay. Okay, now which country is coming up with India's first undersea tunnel in 2023? India's first undersea tunnel in 2023. Mumbai, Kochi, Puducherry, and Diu. What is the answer? Mumbai, Kochi, Puducherry, or Diu? Answer here is A, Mumbai. Okay. Which company will acquire Ampion, the Australian cyber security provider? Ampion. ठीक है. Okay. The answer here is C, Wipro. They are going to provide the cyber security provider for approximately $117 million. If you see this, a lot of money. Okay. Okay. Now let's go on to the next question. International Solar Alliance has announced Dash as its new Deputy General. Okay, who is the new Deputy General of the International Solar Alliance? Upendra Tripathi, Ajay Mathur, Steve Sharp, Paula Brooks. Answer here is B, Ajay Mathur. Okay, the World Economic Outlook is published by whom? World Bank, IMF, WEF, or none of the above? The Economic Outlook. Answer is the International Monetary Fund. Okay. World Economic Outlook is published by the International Monetary Fund. Okay. Okay. World Autism Day. World Autism Day is celebrated on which day? Okay. 1st April, 2nd April, 3rd April, or 5th April. World Autism Awareness Day. Answer here is B, 2nd of April. Okay. Okay. 20. Which Club Factory is an e-tailer of which of the following countries? Club Factory. A, France, B, Japan, C, South Korea, or D, China. So Club Factory is actually an retailer of actually which country? C. The answer here is D, China. Okay, so it is actually the Club Factory is a Chinese fashion and lifestyle retailer has come up with companies in India to import goods and sell them to local customers. This follows a government move to crack down on Chinese e-commerce companies suspected of evading custom duties by sending goods to India, masquerading them as gifts of low value. With that, guys, we come to an end with the session of today. So if you see, we already have our BBA and hotel management courses going on. There are crash courses going on, and some of the most expert teachers will be teaching you about the same. The most important topics will actually be taught to you in these classes. So with that, guys, if you have any doubt, please make sure that you're calling up on the numbers given on the screen. These counselors would be the best to help you with whatever you do. So with that, guys, we come to an end with the session. So thank you so much for being online, and please take care of yourselves. Bye bye.